Hey students, hey families, we are wrapping up our Solar System Book Jacket project. I wanted to go through a couple of pages with you and show you how to completely finish this project, hand it in the next day. You can see the dates may be different, but the information's the same. We've got the same exact type of project that we've been discussing. The rubric for 2020 and beyond has changed slightly. Instead of out of 50 points, it's 35. You can see the diagram on the front, which is worth 11 points. The inner and outer planet paragraphs are each worth 8 points for a total of 16 points. And then your planet highlights are your Did You Know sections, which are 3 points each and 6 points total. And then 2 points for professionalism, which gives you a total of 35 points. We started with mapping out our solar system. Obviously, this is incomplete. The students got this started in school and were to complete it for homework. Once they complete it, they were given a privacy folder, they cut it out, and they glue it on the front page of a privacy folder that opens up. That's important because when it opens up, you move to the inner part of this project. We first organized our thoughts. By that, I mean we actually planned out how to write a paragraph on the outer planets with 3 facts, 3 details, a topic, and a conclusion. And then we did the same for the inner planets. After we did that, I told the students to write their paragraph on this page for the inner planets and then for the outer planets. Once they were finished, they were to cut it out from that paper and glue it into their privacy folder. Many of the students did this on the last day of our working day. Some students needed more than just one paper for their paragraph, so I had them staple at the top and then glue page 2 to the back. That way I can read the first part of their paragraph, flip it open, and read the second part of their paragraph, and you can see there is no third page because it's glued down. Some students only needed one page. In that case, my outer planets, let's say, was only one page. I cut it out and glued it in, and all the information is on one page for the teacher to go over and see if they have everything from the rubric. That was the inner part of our book jacket project. You can see it opened up. It started with our solar system. We open it up, and the inner outer planets are mapped in there. The next part was the Did You Know highlights page. We were given one of these and organized our thoughts. We picked one inner planet and gave 3 facts. We picked one outer planet and gave 3 facts. And then we were to cut it out. When we cut it out, we glue it onto the back of our book jacket. And it looks like this. I staggered it. Some students flipped them the other way. As long as they are both glued onto the back, you're good to go. So you can see that's the back of the book jacket. When I open it on the inside, I've got my outer planets and inner planets paragraph. Some students maybe needed more than one page. And I've got my front cover. If at any point while you're trying to help your student complete this project, you realize that they're missing any pages, you can feel free to visit my website and print those pages out. Let me show you how to do that. If you go to mrpanza.weebly.com, the links at the top will give you a subject page. If you click on Science, it will take you to mrpanzaweebly.com/science. If you scroll down, there's a couple different videos. This video is on here too. Underneath the video on the right that goes over more specifics about how we created this book jacket during school, you'll see that all of the paperwork for the project can be printed, and it's down here at this file. All you have to do is click on it. It will download, and every piece from the rubric to the solar system cover page, to the inner outer planet paragraph page, to the Did You Know highlight page are right there for you to print. That way the students can print them out if they lost them or forgot them at school. Otherwise, by the end of this project, they would have received lots of information on our solar system, where it is, and created and completed this project. Hope this video helps you help your student complete the project successfully. Thanks for stopping by.